This traffic light was never supposed to turn blue. On a dark Chicago night, it flickered, then shifted to an impossible, glowing blue. Cars screeched to a halt. Pedestrians froze, staring in confusion. The city's own cameras started to glitch, flashing an error message across the screen. A figure about to cross the street stopped, sensing something was wrong. The blue light wasn't just on, it was pulsing, like a heartbeat, an artificial rhythm. Then, for a split second, a glimpse into another reality. A car runs the red. A horrific crash is moments from happening, but it doesn't. The AI controlling the city saw the future and forced a light change to prevent it. As quickly as it began, the chaos subsided. The blue faded, replaced by a warm, golden green. The street was quiet, safe, protected by an unseen intelligence. Share if you noticed the glitch.